ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
78.57 square millimeter. So a medicinal capsule, generally we take this kind of capsules during our medication. You must have seen this. A capsule is looking like this. It is a 3-dimensional figure. 2 ends are 2 hemispheres. So after simplification, there are 3 parts in it: cylindrical part and hemispherical part on the left side, hemispherical part on the right side. There are 2 hemispheres with the same dimensions, hence we can multiply it 2 times, or you can add the same twice. To CSA2 plus CSA2 twice we are adding up. Otherwise we can do this, we can club this figure, and the hemisphere on the left and right is a sphere. So it is total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square is nothing but 4 pi r square. Even if you ignore this figure, without the cylindrical portion in between, the sphere portion, we can find the total surface area with 4 pi r square formula. But we are doing it 3 parts. This is first part, this is second part, this is third part. All the 3 parts put together, first part, second part, third part put together, the answer is 78.57 square millimeters. This is also a very important 8-mark question. We can take a screenshot. I will just move the other side. You can be comfortable in doing that. Yes, welcome back students. We are doing the combination of solids in mensuration chapter and examination questions. All are long answer questions. We have covered few questions in the earlier classes. Let me take up one more combination of solid problem. Question number 4. 2 cubes each of volume, 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cubic centimeter are joined end to end together. End to end together. Find the surface area. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. This is the question. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. That is the question. Look at the beauty of the question. 2 cubes are given with volume 64 centimeter cube. So first we have to think of a cube. What is a cube? Same side, length and height. Look at this. It is a cube Now the same cube is taken again and joined here. Once again another cube is joined with the same dimension. Look at that. Can you identify this? This is cube 1. Cube 1 and cube 2 are joined together, end to end. What is given about the first cube? Volume is given as 64 centimeter cube. What is the volume formula for a cube? When you think of a cube, first think of only a cube. The volume is given. What is the volume given? A. So A cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. So what is A? 64 is nothing but 8 into 8. Or can we write it as 16 into 4? Yes. 16 into 4. This is 4 into 4 into 4. So we get 4 cube. A cube is 4 cube. Therefore, A is equal to 4. Side is 4 centimeter. This is the side of the cube. So like this, how many cubes are added here? 2. First cube, second cube. What is the breadth of the cube? 4. Height of the cube? 4. The length of the cube is now increased to 8, 4. That is 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. Now for the cuboid, when you take a rectangular portion and think of a three-dimensional solid for a cuboid, it is nothing but a rectangular, horizontally rectangular portion having length 4 plus 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. The height is 4 centimeter again because two cubes are joined. So 4 plus 4, length is 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter again. For a cuboid, what is the volume? What is the surface area? All these things are already explained in three-dimensional spaces. But here what is asked? Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. That is what is mentioned. No volume. Volume is L into B into H. But here volume is not asked. Total surface area is asked. What is the formula for total surface area of cuboid? Cuboid total surface area 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula. 2 times, what is length? 8 centimeter. 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 4. First you must take the multiplication portion inside. 8 into 4, 32. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. So 16 plus 16, 32 plus 32, 64. So it is 128 square centimeter. So what is the length here? 8. Breadth 4. H4. BH is 4 into 4. This is 4 into 8. Am I right? It is 8 into 4 otherwise. It is again 32 plus 32, 64 plus 6, 70 plus 10, 80 multiplied by 2, which is 180 square centimeter. The answer is 180 or 160? I'm sorry, 160 square centimeter. So for the cuboid, length is 8 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter, total surface area is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL, 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4, 32 plus 32, 64 plus 6, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 multiplied by 2, which is 160 square centimeter. Suppose volume is also asked, how to find the volume? LBH cubic centimeter. You can find if it is asked in the examination. So let us take up one more problem. So you can take a screenshot of this. The total surface area is 160 square centimeter. A storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere struck on either ends. If the external diameter external diameter of the cylinder is 1.4 meters and the length is 8 meter and the length is 8 meter. Find the cost of painting.
Hello students, my name is R.K. Pandey. I have done my B.Tech from IIT Kanpur from electrical engineering. I teach chemistry in K. Venkana classes. I head the chemistry department. The main facility of K. Venkana classes is all the faculty are very rich in experience and they have taught students who have secured single and double digits. They have got very good ranks in JEE and NEET. So if you are serious for your career and if you want to pursue your career in engineering or medical, you are surely welcome here. The facilities includes not only the top tier teachers but the other facilities like doubt clearing sessions and other academic as well as personal treatment that is provided by this institute.
On outside at the rate of ₹20 per meter square. Or you can say square meter. This is the question. I'll write it as square meter so you can understand. A storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere struck on either end. If the external diameter of the cylinder is 1.4 meter and the length is 8 meter, then find the cost of painting it on outside only at the rate of 20 rupees per square meter. This is the question. So first let us consider the problem. It is a cylindrical water storage tank and struck with two hemispherical portions on either side. So it is like this. So there may be a cylindrical tank like this. And what is the external diameter given? 1.4 meter. So this is 1.4 meters. The external diameter of cylinder, diameter is 1.4 meter. So we can find the radius also for the same, and the length is 8 meters. The length is 8 meters. Now let us make this into three parts. A hemisphere with two sides, two ends on either end, and the height of the cylindrical portion is 8 meters. That is what he has mentioned. So this is 8 meters. This is 1.4 by 2, 0.7 meter. This is 0.7 meters. So for the right circular cylinder, I am talking about cylinder. So let us take cylinder as the first part. Cylinder height, which is length here, length, I can say this as length, or in brackets height, which is taken as height 8 meters. Radius R is 1.4 divided by 2. We can say this as 14 by 20 also. We will leave it like this for the first step. Afterwards we will simplify. What is the curved surface area? Because painting needs to be done outside to the whole storage tank. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 14 by 20 meters into height, which is length here, is 8 meters. So 7 will go 2 times, 2 will go 10 times here. So it is 2 into 22. 44 into 8 divided by 10. So multiply 44 8 times. 352 by 10, which is 35.20 square meters. This is the cylindrical part. Am I right? Now let us take the hemisphere. Hemisphere 2 times. For the hemisphere, what is the radius? Or 14 by 20. Same radius. R is 14 by 20 meters, is same for both the figures. So curved surface area is 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 by 20 into 14 by 20. In fact, for the spherical portion put together, it is 4 pi r square. We can write 4 into pi r square also. Anyway, we have started this way. Let us proceed further like this. 10 times, 11 times. 7 will go here 2 times. So in the denominator is 100. 10 into 10, 100. 2 into 11, 22 times 14. 22 into 14. 10 to 22s are 220 plus 88. 220 plus 80, 308. 308 by 100. It is 3.08 square meters. So total surface area, I am taking up here because it's a lengthy problem. I am just simplifying this. Page number 3 here. Page number 3 comes here after this. This is page 2. This is page 1. Now I am writing page 2. Total surface area 35.20 square meter plus 3.08 square meter plus 3.08. So 35 plus 3, 38 plus 3, 41.20 plus 8, 28 plus 8, 34, 36, 36. So 41.36 square meters. So painting charges. 20 rupees per square meter. So total to pay. Total to pay. 41.36 into 20. So this is 20 rupees, 41.36, around 800. So the answer is 827.20 rupees and the price. So you have to spend 827 rupees 20 pice for painting the storage tank. Take a screenshot of this. I will explain it again. This storage tank has two ends looking like hemispheres. So for the given data, the cylinder has length 8 meters. This length is nothing but height, which I have taken as h 8 meters. How to find the radius? Radius is nothing but the diameter by 2. D by 2 is 1.4 by 2, which is 14 by 20. Leave it like that. And curved surface area formula, simplification, substitution of the values, simplification gives 35.20 square meters. And the hemisphere here on two ends. One hemisphere I am taking and the radius is given. CSA is 2 pi r square. After simplification 3.08. Now in between the last page. Total surface area is 35.20 plus 3.08 plus 3.08. Put together is 41.36. That doesn't end the answer. But the whole tank to be painted. Painting charges 20 rupees per square meter. So I have written here clearly. Total to pay. What the total charges to pay is 41.36 into 20, which is 827.20. So he has to shell down 827 rupees 20 paise for painting the whole water storage tank. I hope you have understood this. Let me remind you of our academy. All these video recordings are available to you in the form of YouTube or any video recorded lectures in our website for your benefit. I hope you will enjoy learning these problems with the help of a textbook or a notebook in the hand. So write down the problem, understand the problem, play the video, look at the video fully and pause the video, keep the gadget separately from you and try to answer on your own. Try to do the problem in 3 parts, 1, part 2, part 3 and the answer. So like this, every problem, 8 mark question, you have to spend a minimum of 10 minutes after looking at the video, understanding the video and drawing the figure. So this way you will benefit in the examinations, and at the same time I appeal to you that you should inform to your parents and visit our branches located at Chintal and Tarnaka and do look at our infrastructure here and be benefited, at the same time have a good academic planning for your future years to come. Thank you all. We will meet again and we will do few more very important problems, little bit tougher problems, little bit lengthier problems in our next lesson. Thank you all.